because the last fishing spot we went to was garbage. Let's just say that, garbage. Alright? Right here, we're at this new place. We're gonna try to fish it. Oh, are you kidding me? What? It's a freaking little catfish. Hey! Yeah. Dude, why are these so mini? Dude, these things are so tiny.
They're little bullheads, I know, yeah. They have those at Ironton.
Smile for the camera. Dude, I don't care. I'm catching fish. I'm having fun. Ow.
Yeah.
Ow.
Look at this little baby bass, dude. It's so small.
Mm-hmm. Got him. See you, buddy. Dude, I still have the same worm on.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, now I'm having, even though they're really small, I'm still having fun, dude. It's fish. I'm just waiting for big chungus. You caught 10? Dude, I just reeled in my rod and I caught another one. Like, I was just trying to switch my hook. Like, I was trying to switch my spot.
3?
That's 3 for the day. Little caddies.
Oh yeah, I know, the little bullheads, dude, those are so funny.
Yeah. Get off my... Dude, I think I still have a worm left. I still have worm left. What things? Oh, getting another one. Got him. What?
You getting another one, huh?
Yeah. Dude, they're so small. I could put them on a hook and catch something with them.
I know. But you know what? Like, dude, some people, like, will straight up... I'm not sitting down, bro.
Another caddy. Alright, we get another bite. Got him.
Is there any big catfish in there?
I don't know, dude. This is kind of fun.
How many is that?
6. Oh. I think you were right. You were right. Here we go. Yep, this is something a little more feisty. Nope, nicer caddy. Are you kidding me?
What?
He choked it.
You know.
Thanks, buddy. right there, dude. Look at that, I'm already getting bites. It's on dirt. It's only a little guy. Is that a bass? Dude, that's a bass!
Is it?
Yeah! A little tiny bass on a hook, on a treble hook with a worm. A little tiny bass. Look at that. It's awesome. Look at that. Come here, buddy. $19. Hey.
That's a bass. Tiny little one.
Mm-hmm.
Are you little birds?